Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to Jen's Hangout. Today we're hanging out and we are going to be, I need to get this thing heating up. We are, I forgot it slides this way. I got this. It is the Liado Crimper hair iron. It's a triple iron. I got this to a review. So this is what it looks like. Here it is. So I'm going to get this heating up and then I'm going to separate my hair. And it also comes with the hair separators and a glove, which is nice. So you don't burn yourself. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this heating up. I have hair protectant in my hair already. And today was hair washing day. So my hair is nice and clean. And like I said, I have hair protectant in my hair. And this is all tied up. And so I'm going to go ahead and get this heated up and get my hair separated. Gotta keep them separated. No, that song stuck in my head. Anyway. And then we'll come back and I will get to doing my hair. This also, I want to point out, has two heat settings. You have the 180 degrees and then the 210 degrees. I'm going to start out, I think, on the 110 degree because I have really fine hair and I don't want to fry it, and I don't think, honestly, that we need the mega heat. So that's where we're going to start out. So, and then it goes to 0 to shut it off. So, I'll get this plugged in down here. I'll help if I can see my plug now. Okay, so there we go. And I really like, it's got a kickstand, right? And it's got kind of a, it's not suede, it's not felt, it's not anything like that. It's just a really soft handle. I like that. And then the cord swivels, which is nice when you're trying to do your hair. So all very nice features. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get my hair separated and up to where I want it and get this heated up, and I will be right back. Okay, so it's ready. I just ran my regular curling iron through my bangs just to give my bangs a curl because obviously this is not going to work on my bangs. So anyway, okay, so, oh good, that didn't get hot. Usually they do. So it didn't. So that's nice. Okay, but I can feel this is very hot. I'm really, really glad I did not put it on the hot setting. And it is in Celsius, just so you know. Not that that really matters. Just FYI. Glove. I think I am going to try it without the glove first. For the first little section. I did put a little bit more heat protectant in my hair because I could feel the heat coming off of it. So I put a little bit more just to kind of freshen it up. So let's do this. Let's see how she works. I haven't used a crimping iron in, oh my God, she's hot. She hot. I don't even know how long. And the last one I used was the really crimpy one. Like, God, I think I was a kid. Oh, she's beautiful. So far, so good. Let's see. Probably should have left that last one a little bit longer. Just 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 a little bit longer. It's a good thing I have short hair. Gosh, I remember crimping my hair back in the day. It was so long. Okay, so that first little section went well. So let's see how we do with this section. I redid my lippies back here. I think they look much better now. Like, much better. Yeah, I don't think I need the glove, per se. Maybe if I had to, like, reach way back here, I would. But luckily I can split my hair in half enough that I can bring it forward. But it's working. And it's not that heavy, which is nice. And I remember my old crimping iron back in the day. It was so heavy. It was all steel and oh, it was so heavy. So heavy. My arm would get so tired, or my mom would do it, and we'd sit there for hours and do it. And of course, back then, I had hair like my wigs have hair. Like, I had hair for days, and it was long. Got a lot of medication. Yeah. Doesn't work that way now. This is all really stiff and sturdy. Feels really nice, which I like. Oof. Need to do the rest of it here. Get this back in. Okay. Like I said, I did go back in with some heat protectant. I just used the Hot Toddy heat protectant mist. This stuff smells amazing. Amazing. Like I said, I got this to review for you guys, but you can get it on Amazon. It's $20 right around, like 19 and some change, I think. Pretty sure. I have to double check. Let me check. Let me double check. I don't have my glasses on, so this is a, you know, one of those things. Amazon. Sign in to my account. Oh yes, I will. Sign into my account and then I can go into my orders. Over here, I just ordered some more face masks for my husband. Okay, so this is called the Leado 3-barrel curling iron, 22 millimeter, and it's $25.99. So, and if you have Prime, it's on Prime as well, so you can't beat that. Oh, okay. So I think what I'm gonna do is I am going to pause this, and I will come back when I get to the second layer of my hair and let you know how it's going for an update, because this is going to take a minute. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. It's doing very well. So we will bring the hair down. Oofty. This hair. Ooh, mop hair. Looks like a mop. And I will go ahead and do this hair, and then we'll see what the finished product looks like. Okay, so here is the look of my hair. It is curled for the most part. This side always goes flat, so it's just because I think I sleep on that side more. So it never wants to hold a curl very well. And whatever, it is what it is. Like I said, I just curled my bangs with my normal curling iron. Other than that, it's so cute. I love it. Like, I haven't crimped my hair in forever and ever. Oh my gosh, I can't even remember it. Like 13, I think, is the last time. 13 or 14. I was in middle school. That was when it was popular. So late 80s. Oh god, I just dated myself. Mall bangs, you know. It's kind of what my hair reminds me of right now. But anyway, I like it. It's fun, and it worked very well. I did end up having to turn the heat up. Just to get this a little more difficult side to curl. But that's just my hair. I don't, because the rest of it worked just fine on the lower setting. So it was just my more difficult hair, that's why you have a higher heat setting. I like the fact that it comes with these. That was very, very nice. I didn't end up using this, but if I had longer hair, I would need it. Other than that, this is very nice. And I really do recommend it. And for 26 bucks, it's light, easy to use. And you guys know I have issues. So this was really easy for me to use. I was able to just kind of, you know, curling your hair is never entertaining. So it was really easy to use. It did go very quickly considering. Other than that, what can I say? It worked very, very well. Go check it out. I will put a link to it in my description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys want to see more of this type of thing. Anyway, blessings to y'all. I love you so, so much. See you later. Bye.